Hello. Hey, this is David DeVore with MeshMesh, and I am working on loading up Data Cloud with a new installation. And what I'm working with is a pizza shop, right? So what I want to do, and here's the Data Cloud that I'm going to load it into. I'm going to come over here to the Cloud Control Studio, and I want to start a new dialog. So I have a context document that I have created that lays out everything. I'm going to drop it in, and that's the requirements. It includes all of the information on what I want in my pizza shop. So go ahead and create a new for my pizza shop. All right. I'm going to go ahead and use Salesforce, and let's go execute it. Okay. So it's going to start spinning up. Go ahead and create a new Data Cloud installation for my pizza shop. This is the name of the task. Of course, if I wanted to rename that, I can, but I think for right now, that's just fine. Okay, and away it goes. Wow. All right. So that was quick. Let's see what we did. So it says that we have we authenticated to the Salesforce org, created the pizza customer data lake objects, create the pizza order data lake objects, create the toppings data lake objects, create the data model objects mappings, and create the customer segments. Okay. That's amazing. Let me call it complete. And let's go through the notes here real quick. So it's complete. And set up the data lake objects, pizza customers, pizza orders, pizza toppings. The mappings, pizza customers, pizza orders. Segments, VIP pizza customers, and frequent pizza buyers. And then the next steps. So next steps, I should create data streams via UI or the API, configure the identity resolution to unify customer records, create calculated insights, set up activations to push data, and so forth. So let's actually jump over and take a look. So what am I looking for? Orders, pizza customers. This is great. Set up all the fields. Awesome. Let me go back here. That's my pizza orders, base price, customer ID, data source, all of that has been created. Very good. And last one, pizza toppings. Okay, so, perfect. So I have is vegetarian, is premium, popularity score, topping category, topping ID, topping name, and so forth. Amazing. Okay.